Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace a vent cap on an RV trailer or a box trailer. They're all about the same. This is a universal 14-inch. Got all the instructions. Yeah, the first thing we want to do is take our crank handle off. Then we got 4 screws that hold on the trim ring. You want to take them out. Then you got 2 screws that hold your screen on. You want to take those out. And your screen will come off. Then you want to take your crank off. And you slide your crank out of your hole. And that freed up your bar on top. Then you look right in here on your hinge part. You've got a little tab that's bent in. You want to push it down. Then once you get your little ear bent down, your little tab right here, you can see I bent that down. That was folded down there. You do one side, the whole track will slide out. And you can see on our old bracket the holes next to the hinge side, and you want to put the lip, turn that to the inside just like that. And they've already got the holes pre-drilled. Yeah, with a bunch of little screws. And they've got a little neoprene washer, goes on the little nut there. Pretty much straightforward. And you don't want to tighten nothing up till you get all your nuts and bolts put on. Like I say, make sure you keep your hole to the hinge side. Once you get them snugged up, don't over tighten them. You should be ready to install it. I'm going to take this far side, and you got to make sure you crimp this little ear down so it won't come out. Crimp it down like that. That'll be a stop for the other side. That'll let you slide this on like that. And then you want to crimp this other side down. That'll keep it from sliding out. Now all you should have to do is slide this in your groove. Make sure it's going to fit. Beautiful. you can see your little tab right here. You want to bend that down. That'll keep it from sliding either direction. Now it's locked in, it won't go either direction. There you want to stick your crank back in through your little hole and reinstall your 2 screws. And I'm gonna try my crank and make sure it works before I get totally all done here. Work good. And there's the finished product. Pretty easy to do, not very expensive. Hey guys, thanks for watching.